I'm Dr. Anantalakshmi from St.Joseph Degree and PG College. We have established Incubation Center under a unit Techno-Innovation and Incubation Cell in the year 2022. I am President and one of the founder of the Incubation Center. Our vision is to become a leading center of excellence in innovation, entrepreneurship and incubation, empowering students and faculty to convert ideas into sustainable ventures. We align our mission with the Startup India, Atmanirbhar Bharat and Unnat Bharat Abhiyan initiatives by focusing on grassroots entrepreneurship, women-led innovation and social impact ventures. Our strategic priorities include addressing rural development, education tech, green startups and local employment generation through innovation. We also support emerging sectors such as digital skills, agro-innovation and financial literacy. TIIC aims to bridge the academic industry gap and nurture design thinking through over 100 plus innovation programs, boot camps, entrepreneurship courses. When it comes to infrastructure and facilities, TIIC offers a fully functional incubation hub with modern space, high-speed internet and dedicated computers for prototype development. We provide access to infrastructure for digital product creation, MVP development and hands-on experimentation. Our faculties they have completed their own Innovation Ambassadors program, and our facilities include support for online incubation, allowing remote mentoring, hybrid events and virtual pitching. We have created innovation-friendly environment for both tech and non-tech startups. TIIC also supports labs in collaboration with other institutions for prototype testing and mock trials and pilot product demos. When it comes to mentors and expert network, our mentors network is the soul of TIIC. We have more than 30 mentors and which have domains of market refinement, prototype development, validation, pitching strategies, IPR awareness. Our innovation ambassadors, certified by the Ministry of Education, lead workshops and hackathons. We invite startup founders, legal advisors, investors and technical consultants for real-time interaction with students. We are proud that our faculty mentors are mentoring IIT Mumbai teams and Startup India support for Incubation Center. We also help IP filing, and 3 of our mentees projects are in the process of patent application. When it comes to industry and investor linkages, TIIC maintains strong industry and investor linkages. We have signed MOUs with MSME organizations, ALEEP and also Osmania University, and we are recognized by AICTE, actively participated in Smart India hackathons and other competitions which was initiated by the Ministry of Education. We organize investor connect sessions, mock pitches and startup showcases to link student ventures with angel investors. Our center has also facilities like internal seed funding. With the help of students' level of innovations, management will support about the prototype development. We conduct live industry projects, village product marketing and provide access to pilot testing opportunities in real market conditions. Our unique offerings and USP bonus to our incubation center. Happy to share that our startup got selected in Smart India Hackathon named Spot On app. We developed an app with the help of the students. As a mentor, I am proud that we got selected under first runner-up award of rupees 75,000, which is sponsored by Ministry of Education. Our college also got selected under boot camp, which is conducted in Pune. And we have attended regional meets. Our college, that is TIIC, got selected Best Poster Award of our startups and showcasing all the innovations. And also in the regional meet, our TIIC startups has been selected to attend in Vizag and also Sambhaji Nagar, where our student startup got 3rd notable prize out of 80 pitches by the different states. We are happy that we are enriching our students in terms of idea to the prototype to the startups. And I'm happy to share that One of our students startup, Sahil, he got into gaming app and he was into international level too. And our students' projects also converted into startups. Our students' ideas also converted into the prototype and development to the startups. And our student Bubble Sunscreen, that is by the Sumit, he got the awards, many laurels. So this our incubation center enhancing the student-led entrepreneurs and also startups. Our incubation center also got selected to participate in Mahakumbh. Startups got sponsored by Ministry of Education, and parts 2 also to showcase their startups also got selected. Got a privilege to attend Prime Minister's addressing at Delhi. Students got selected ambassadors VHub, eCell, IIT Mumbai. Students also got selected as a finalist by NAC IIT Mumbai. Now, when it comes to faculty achievements, our faculty are Innovation Ambassadors, which is from Ministry of Education, nationwide hackathons attended, and also they are mentors for NEC IIT Mumbai, Smart India Hackathon evaluators, and are founder-led entrepreneurs. We are more than an incubation center. We are a movement to transfer students into change makers. Join hands with St.Joseph Degree and PG College, Techno-Innovation and Incubation Center to build an idea led by innovation and entrepreneurship. We thank Startup India Nation for this platform and invite you to visit our center, collaborate and grow together. This is Techno-Innovation Incubation Center under St. Joseph Degree and PG College, where every idea matters, where every startup begins. Thank you all.